Scarsdale, N. Why electric lawn mowers have taken the U.S. consumer market by storm over the past few years. And they've done so quietly, about 20 decibels more quietly in some cases. Once restricted to lawns no larger than the length of an extension cord, mowers on the market today run on lithium-ion batteries that can last 45 minutes or more without charging and cost about as much as gas-powered versions. And in 2021, according to market research company FactMr, electric lawnmowers made up 37% of all sales. But professional landscapers, who have to run their machines all day, day after day, have yet to join the trend in large numbers. Electric heavy-duty ride-on mowers make up just 11% of the total market for all heavy-duty ride-on mowers. For homeowners, I feel like it's great, said Austin Acocella, co-owner of Acocella Landscaping in Scarsdale, N.Y. The battery just doesn't last long, especially for the stuff that I do. He has checked out commercial-grade mowers with batteries that can last 6 or more hours, but hasn't wanted to pay the upfront costs. A 52-inch wide ride-on model, the rival from Mean Green Mowers, starts at nearly $30,000. That is more than 3 times a comparable gas-powered machine, though the manufacturer says the customer will break even given significantly lower operation and maintenance costs. In the future I would love to buy them, but right at this second, I just can't because of inflation and just everything. I just can't swing it yet. Acocella and his employees began using handheld electric devices, leaf blowers, weed whackers and hedge trimmers, last year when one of his clients, the town of Larchmont, required it. Has begun to use them on other properties as well because they are lighter, much quieter, and don't emit pollutants. But with the exception of the hedge trimmer, he says, they need frequent battery changes and are not as powerful. I need something that's going to last long or something that's easy, Austin says. Like I have a gas can, it's on a truck that I just fuel up and I go. How many batteries do I need to have in order to get through the day? Yet landscapers are being pressured to change, sometimes by clients and sometimes by governments. Last fall, the California legislature passed a law requiring that all new landscaping equipment sold in the state be emissions-free beginning January 1, 2024. The state and national landscaping associations objected, arguing that electric equipment wasn't advanced enough to operate for long periods of time, and in some cases, did not work as well as gas equipment.